Today we're going to be opening these little surprise eggs. We don't know who's inside. Our host here did. You did it. Alec, come in the video just to see your picture.
Hello.
We are opening Play-Doh surprise eggs that have any Shopkins in it. First, I go opening. So, first I'm going to open this tie-dye one. Oh, we got Mini Minty! Look. For the camera, here she is.
Take a closer look.
Ooh, there's a little Play-Doh on her mouth. Go to her mouth.
Believe it's kind of like the color.
And so let's put it in a basket. So now we just got this activated for another video. Now we got our yellow one. Just a little bit of tie-dye with the purple. And we got Sarah Suffner. She's one of the coolest ones in the world. So, show you guys. Now, and there. Finally, we got this little Play-Doh plus egg. Let's open it.
There's a little yellow in it.
Oh, this looks like lava. Yes, it is lava lamp.
Woo! That's not serious. But my way to see.
Crystal grids are the worst.
Huh? Because just so you know, the crystal ones are hard to get off, but here she is.
So now,
She's the orange lava lamp.
So now we're going to be going to Lily.
Lily, go up in the camera.
Eggs.
I'll bring all my stuff over here.
So,
Now I'm just going to make somebody out of all of this.
here is my surprise eggs, and I'm going to open this pink one first. Ooh,
I'm going to be building a dinosaur.
I just blend the blender. Here she is.
Want me to show her? Here's bring a blender. There you go.
Another one? So, now I'm going to open this black one. There's cauliflower. Oh, I know this.
You got
one.
cauliflower.
Woo! Put it in my basket. Put it in my basket. Oh, there we go. And now I'm going to open a blue one.
Here is his tail. Little monster tail. I'm going to show
Get
you.
closer. Look at this.
One.
Now we have
There we go. Because I forgot in videos you have to be quiet when
I
you're
think I got the Danny thing.
Danny Danish.
Danny Danish. Take a closer look.
I'll do it. Just for closer look.
Closer. I'll make something out of this. Now it's your turn.
Okay.
Now you
So-
guys.
First, I'm going to open my yellow one because it's the most meaningless to me. And we got
Lava cake. Choco lava.
Choco Lava Cake.
Well, that's even closer.
Since there's not a tie-dye cover, we got Yummy Gum.
That's what his name is?
Yummy Gum. Last but certainly not least is the tie-dyed blue one, and it's Cherry Churro.
Show her face.
And I hope you guys like this video. Thank you, and have a great day.